So everybody's seen the pyramid with the all-seeing eye on the back of the dollar bill. This represents triangular math, which is relevant to our alphabet, our calendar, our measuring system, and the people that understand the numbers behind this, they symbolically do major events on specific days. So I'm going to get into that, but first I'm going to explain just triangular math, the basics. So at the top of this pyramid, there's one brick. The next row, there's two. The third row, there's three. So you would add 1, 2, 3 on this third row, and the triangular number would be 6. So this whole pyramid has a total of 36 rows of bricks. So when you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to 36, it equals 666. Because the understanding and the natural pattern behind this, which is all things, the people that understand it, they use this information over the people that don't understand it. They don't even realize it's even there. So we have 36 rows, 666, because this is the beast system. It's being used against people that don't understand it. So this top would be 1. The first letter of the English alphabet is A, which is actually showing you triangular math. When you zoom in on this A, there's just another A. And no matter how much you zoom in on it, it's itself. It's this natural pattern. So when you take the triangle and you cut it in half, this midpoint right here would be the 18th row. The triangular number for the 18th row is 171. 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way to 18 is 171. Everything in this country is based off jurisdiction and the postal service and zip codes. Started in Boston, 1710. Drop the 0 because these people use numerology. These numbers aren't whole numbers, they're ratios. 1710, the post office. Yale, 171. So this line where the all-seeing eye would be, that's the 9. That's the line for 9. And then between 18 and 36, you would have 27. The reason that most languages have 27 letters is because of the placement in this triangular math, because 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. So the English language, or all languages, most likely should have 27 letters. But English has 26. So the triangular number for the 26th row is 351. And then if you go above this 18 to the 17th row, the triangular number is 153. So what happens here is there's this reflection point where 351 and 153, they're mirrors of each other. It's the reflection point in this math. That's why there are 26 letters in the alphabet. It's because of this reflection of 153351. Massachusetts, which is where England landed, was founded on 2-6, and it has 351 cities and towns. The 153, the reflection of 351, is at the 17th position. This is why there is this campaign against the letter Q and the number 17. Just think about how ridiculous that is. They're associating craziness with a number and a letter, and people just sit there and gobble it up because they don't know what the hell they're talking about. I watch people that decode on YouTube. Some of these people are extremely smart, but they have no clue about any of this and have been blocked by the biggest ones because they're a bunch of haters. 153 is biblical, the reflection of the 351. This is biblical. 153 fish in a net. So if you were to actually make lines across this whole pyramid, all the individual rows, and you flipped it upside down, it would look like a net. Our number system is based off 10. And when you flip this, it looks like a net. Because everything is about these reflection points and how they are used against people that don't even know they exist.